How to strategize coin usage for long playtime. First of all, understand your total coin balance before starting to play. Planning how much coin you use per game session helps you play longer without running out quickly. Next, avoid spending too many coins at once. Instead, use small amounts of coins in each round to stretch your gameplay. This way, you can enjoy more games and increase your chances of winning over time. Also, keep track of your wins and losses. If you are on a losing streak, reduce your coin usage to save more for future rounds. When you win, you can consider using a little more to maximize your rewards. Make use of bonus coins and daily rewards to add to your coin pool. These extra coins help extend your playtime without spending your main coins. Finally, always set a coin limit for each session. When you reach that limit, stop playing to avoid losing all your coins too quickly. By following these simple strategies, you can manage your coin usage wisely and enjoy Fire Kirin for longer periods. Now you know how to strategize coin usage for long playtime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.